Hi, I'm Wendy Sanders, the Phenomenal Lifestyle Coach, and I'd love to give to you my Soulmate Attraction Kit. This kit includes several of the tips and strategies and mindsets and behavior modification that have helped both myself and all of my clients to attract more love into their lives and really experience a higher quality of relationship. And so I really would love for you to be able to receive this gift. This Soulmate Attraction Kit is for you if you're a single woman who has her heart's desire is to be married. You want to be happily married. You know that this gift is for you. As well, if you are doing well in your professional life, but your romantic life, your love life is a totally different scenario, and you know that what you want, what you're experiencing is not to the level of what you want, and you want to upgrade your experience and the caliber of men that you're attracting, as well as in the quality of your relationships, then you know that the Soulmate Attraction Kit is for you. So how do you get it? It's very, very simple. All you need to do is just scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you'll be able to see the Soulmate Attraction Kit opt-in box, and you'll just need to put your name and your email into that box. Very simple. I created this kit because I really wanted to compile several of the, like I said before, several of the tips and the strategies that really help smart women to avoid the mistakes and the pitfalls in relationships and in romance that so many people make. It's amazing to me how brilliant women continue to make the same types of negative choices in their relationships, and it's very clear to me that the reason why is not a lack of ability up here. It really is just a lack of not knowing the right things to be doing. So they just continue doing what they know to do, which isn't giving them the result that they want. So that's why I created the Soulmate Attraction Kit, and that's why I love to share it with you. All you have to do, again, name and email into the opt-in box, and I'll send it right out to you immediately in your inbox. Thank you so much. May the peace and blessings of God be with you today and always. My love and my blessings.